Hi and welcome. I'm Margriet and I make ceramics and online workshops. I've recently started a new chapter in my life and I hope you'll join me on this journey. Let's go inside. This little house is not far from the farmhouse I came from. It's about half an hour by bike. I still have my ceramic studio there, so I'm there almost every day. And of course, I'll still be sharing lots of ceramics with you, but I also really enjoy filming this new chapter of my life and taking you along with me. I hope you enjoy seeing it too. The difference between these two places could hardly be bigger. The farmhouse had so much space, a big house, a big garden and so much around me. And somehow I've always found that a little difficult. I loved that place, but sometimes it just felt like too much. I think I understand that better now. Living here in such a small space has made me realize how much I enjoy living on a smaller scale. Everything feels more manageable and somehow it just suits me. I'm really curious to see where this new chapter will take me. Sometimes I come across a quote that I really want to remember. So I write it down on a little piece of paper. I love keeping these little reminders in my journal. And this one really spoke to me. You are not too old and it's not too late. A little reminder that it's never too late to start something new. Now I have the time to write it down with a little more care. If you want to make your own note cube holder, check out my website. We will be working with printable templates and I'll guide you through the whole process. See you there, hopefully. I went to the garden center the other day. One little plant for inside and the rest for outside. I love putting them in simple pots and old baskets. Nothing too perfect, just things that feel natural and fit into the surroundings. Watering the plants, sitting under the parasol and just enjoying this little place.